2026. A platform which brings together policymakers, global experts, healthcare leaders, and academicians under one roof.
The state has this year issued 1600 essentiality certificate.
At Pulse 2026, I am reminded of a value that my parents, Dr. P.D. Patil and Dr. Shri Patil, have always instilled in me, that sincere effort, when guided by purpose, creates lasting impact in many ways, what this platform represents.
So when we're talking about competency-based medical education, it is important for us to be confident that the student has the necessary skill. And towards this, the role of simulation labs, the presence of AI-enabled tools are very, very essential because it allows the student to practice any number of times before they actually come up for the assessment.
Innovation Challenge. The winner is Team Fluorescence Labs from Dr. Rekha Arcot, Hospital and Research Sector.
The future of healthcare and medical education. Pulse 2026.